The lights are on. So the lights are on. The Eiffel Tower. We're on the second level. Les Mers.
Champ des Mers.
The Champ des Mers.
Show where our hotel is.
Our hotel's right there. We're very close. We walked here. Yeah, so it's
quiet neighborhood where we're staying.
yeah, we're staying in a really nice neighborhood. We really like it a lot. Okay, I guess we're gonna walk around this level. Take the lift up to the top, as they say around
What the
here.
hell, Sarah? We're gonna walk up it.
Bloody hell! I do not want to walk up any more stairs. We've probably walked up about like 5,000 stairs, walked up and down about 5,000 stairs today, and I'm not exaggerating. I'm really not.
Top of the Arc.
We did the top of the Arc. We did Notre.
the whole
Oh no, we did
Louvre.
Notre Dame yesterday. We did the Louvre. We did the Orsay. We just did so many things. What else did we do? Oh, we walked on the like the rodeo.
Football field.
Football field. We walked on that street with all of like the famous stores and stuff. Champs-Élysées. I don't know. Elias. I don't know. But now we're at the top, sort of.
Flashes from people trying to take pictures of that.
That's really
Isn't that
funny.
cool?
I don't know what they're on right now, but you could see people down there taking pictures of us right now.
That's cool.
See, look at their flashes. That's so cool. Should I make a funny face or moon them?
This was the perfect time to come up here.
Yeah, this was pretty much the perfect time to come up here. So I guess we're gonna go try and take the elevator up. But we might have to wait in a long line. So I won't put you through that. But Doug is terrified. When we came up here just now, I like collapsed on the floor because I couldn't breathe, and he collapsed on the floor because he's terrified to be up here. He's scared to death of heights. So I'm trying not to ask him too many questions like, so how many people do you think have fallen and died? I'm trying not to say too many things like that.
Yeah, because if you do, then you're gonna be the next one.
Yeah. So we'll see if we make it to the very top. I don't know, but we'll see.